we're here at Charlie's Car Wash, and we are going to go through their car wash. So I'm going to pause until we're pulling in, which might be quite a while because there's a really big line.
Like 3 lines.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, here we go. I'm going to keep the camera low as to not scare any employees.
Okay. Send that. Okay.
Took quite a while to get into this tunnel in the first place.
About almost 30 minutes or 20 minutes.
Need to move forward more.
Sorry.
Man, they do not care about their brushes.
Wow, those brushes look neat.
Yeah, seriously, I mean, look at the bottom parts of them.
I've never seen a brush that bad. In working order. Got it, don't worry.
Yeah, those, I do not trust those brushes.
Too bad we're already here. It's too late.
Oh look, the rocker brush is barely spinning. Oh, it just turned off, but it was barely spinning.
This is sad.
It's kind of water in the middle.
It's almost like they didn't replace the brushes since they started the place.
I'm not sure they have. Oh, look at the top brush too.
Oh, dude, it's shredded.
And look, you see, this is what I was talking about with the rocker brush. It's not even touching the car. Oh my god. Look at this brush. Oh, and nice pressure on this Vaughn high pressure arch. Quote unquote high pressure. That one's not even spraying anything. Oh, there's a huge leak in it.
Nice.
Here's the trifoam. I'm surprised this mitter works. I can't tell. No, the rocker brush is fine on this one.
As soon as the mitter's out,
Oh my gosh. Look at that van brush. Look at these.
So bad.
These are so bad.
It's like every 5th one is
Yeah.
there.
And then this is just water.
Charlie's, you gotta do something to your tunnel.
Exactly.
It's falling apart.
Charlie's does not know what routine maintenance is.
Can't believe it.
Like, this tunnel used to be really good.
Yeah, we should compare it to our last video. Oh my gosh, of this tunnel.
Yeah. It is. I can hear lots of excessive vibration in the blowers too, so they're not caring about that either.
Oh, so sad. Charlie's, we expected more of you.
Exactly. Oh, it's kind of fogging up.
I know, I just turned on the defroster.
No, it says tire shine. Oh my gosh, that is so rusted. And look at that. There's a motor oil can down there. Really says a lot about this place.
Yep.
There's a lot of drip space between the flash drive blowers and these blowers, so they're not efficient with their space either. Look at that, there's like hay down there, and a little can. Oh, it's a Pringles can.
Mine from someone's pickup truck.
Yeah. But that also tells me that they're not cleaning the bays at night. At least they have the drive forward light dialed in.
That was so sad.
That was probably one of the worst tunnels I've ever seen.
I know, me too.
I'm gonna give that like a 4 out of 10.
Seriously.
That is not good.
I mean, honestly, I'm surprised you're giving it a 4. I'd give it less, but that's okay.
Yeah, actually, you're right, because, I mean...
You just spent $18 for the crappiest wash ever.
I just realized that.
Yeah.
That's like a 2 out of 10.
Uh-huh.
That's the first 2 out of 10 on the new scale, I believe.
That is sad.
Out of a tunnel, of all things.
I know.
So...
Bad job, Charlie.
So, yeah, that's... I mean, normal washes don't scratch, but I truly believe that this one would.
Well, let's hope it didn't scratch us up, but we'll see.
So, yeah, that is the very sad tunnel at Charlie's. I have no idea how they run this much volume.
Right. It's like people pay no attention.
Exactly.
So sad.
So, yeah, that is the...
Charlie's.
Yeah, the Charlie's car wash with very misled customers.
Yep.
Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.